probably wondering why I'm wearing a dress and why I'm wearing sweatpants, but we'll answer both of those questions. Ow! I wear sweatpants for every single video. You just never see them, but I wear them all the time. I don't know why I'm energetic today. That's just how it is. Deal with it. But focusing on the more important thing, why am I wearing a dress? Now I know you're probably thinking, I don't know, maybe because you want to wear a freaking dress, but no, there's a reason behind it, and you'll know by reading the title that prom is coming. Who's excited for prom? Cause like, I'm not going. I'm just kidding. I am excited, even though I'm not going. Hello Beauty Babes, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a prom makeup tutorial. I struggled on when I should film this because I don't know when prom is for everyone. The only time I know when prom is I know where it is for my school, and by my school, I mean my old school. And the reason why I know this is because my sister is going to prom and I'm doing her makeup for it. So I didn't know like if I should like film it in the first week of May or like the second week, and I was like, let's just do it in the second week. Today I did this prom makeup look, and it is this brown and black and silver eye makeup look. So yeah, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I am doing is taking out my Airspun loose face powder and just putting it all over my face to set my foundation. Next, I am taking out my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit and just doing my contour. Okay guys, and now I'm taking back out my Airspun loose face powder and just putting it underneath my eyes and on my jaw. Okay guys, I'm going to be pulling out my 35F Fall Into Frost Morphe palette. So the first color I'm going to be taking is the color Fortune, and I'm just going to be putting it on the inner corner of my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Terrine and putting it on the outer corner of my crease. And then I'm going to be going into the color Obsidian, and I'm just going to be putting it on the outer corner of my crease line. If that makes any sense, it's like right on the line right there. And then I'm going to be taking the color Visible and putting it on my brow bone. Going back into the color Obsidian, I'm going to be putting that on the outer corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm pulling out my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer, and I am just going to be putting that on the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm taking the color Starlight and just putting it on top of the concealer that I just applied. Next, I'm grabbing out my Stila Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Perlina, and I'm just going to be putting this also on top of the color Starlight. Next, I am moving on to eyeliner, which I am taking out my NYX Professionals. That is the Point Eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. I'm going to be going into the color Fortune and just putting that all the way underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to be going back into the color Obsidian and just putting it underneath my eye really close to my waterline, but not on my waterline because that's bad. Then I'm going to be taking out my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eyeliner in the color White Blank, and I'm going to be putting that on my waterline. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go do the other eye off camera and then we'll do everything else. Okay guys, so I finished my other eye, so now we're moving on to highlighter, and I am pulling out my Queen Supreme MAC palette, and I'm gonna be using the highlighter. And then I'm going to be pulling out my Winky Lux Strobing Balm in the color Lit, and I'm just putting this on the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm pulling out my L'Oreal Paris Master Contour Kit and using the blush. Now I am pulling out my Maybelline New York Last Sensational Mascara. Finally, I'm taking out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquidfied Lipstick in the color Queen Bee. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or song requests or review requests or anything like that, and I will try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, which you totally should, it'll be all right here, and it'll also be linked down below. And make sure to check out my last video, which will also be right down here, and then also linked down below. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it'll be the subscribe button down below, and make sure that you hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Bye bye, beauty babes. Love you.